first of all it's important to consider your application in advance, so read through all the questions, they're all there on the website, have a little look, make some notes about what you think you want to say. Put the deadline in your diary, that's an important one, set yourself a reminder so you don't miss it. Then when you actually go to complete your entry, try to put all your thoughts together but keep an eye on the word count, so make sure you don't go over word count. Judges have quite a lot of info to get through, so you would be penalised if you go over. So just being concise. I think the most important thing is to get across your point of difference, what makes your salon spa or your individual business unique. And I think the key to that is giving examples and being really specific. It's not really enough to say, we try to treat every client as an individual, we try to look after our clients. Tell us how you do that, give us examples of what you do that perhaps the salon down the road doesn't do, the spa down the road doesn't do, or really what sets you apart. I think one common mistake people do make is to just copy and paste from their website or from a brochure or a press release, whereas really there are specific questions asking for specific business information. So it's nice to get across what your business means to other people, but you also need to give some business information. So there's the client-facing side, but there's also the details of how you run your team and how you kind of manage your operations and all those sorts of specifics that are asked for. So it's important to get those across. I think one other element that people sometimes forget is to make sure you're attaching the pictures that are asked for. If you're entering a salon or spa, those pictures need to be the exterior of your business, the interior shots. If you're entering an individual category for some of our awards, you need to make sure that you have pictures of you looking professional and also where you can see your face. So all the little details like that, just make sure your entry is on point.